स्पोर्ट्स वाला, माय नेम इज रोहन। आज है बर्थडे स्पेशल ऑफ नन अदर देन द गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट, द लेजेंड, द मैन सचिन रमेश तेंदुलकर। और मेरे साथ में है उनके दो बचपन के दोस्त विकी कूटो एंड मार्कस कूटो। तो सबसे पहले भाई, मतलब ये उनके बचपन के दोस्त हैं, तो उनका बर्थडे है आज। एक बार हम उनको हैप्पी बर्थडे प्लीज पहले विश करते, फिर हम शुरू करेंगे। Difference that you see in Sachin then and now, except for the fact that he's cut his hair now. That's one thing that जो हमने
no difference. Same what he was in school and is same till today. The relationship, the nature wise, the anything. What he was in school and today, if you meet him, he still is the same.
Okay.
Means when sometimes I met him, I started talking to him to me वगैरह. तो अरे क्या तू वेड़ा झालास क्या तुम्ही मी क्या बोलतोय? Means we get that as said. Means it's still the same. Means there is nothing like how.
So हमारी नॉन मराठी ऑडियंस के लिए मैं समझा देता हूँ। जनरली क्या होता है, आप कहते हैं तू, ओके, और जब आपको किसी को आप बोलना होता है तो मराठी में बोलते हैं तुम।
करेक्ट।
तो ये उनको आप बोलने लगे थे, लेकिन इसे क्या है यार, मतलब ऐसे
क्या हो गया तो अचानक तुम
ऑल ऑफ अ सडन। सर आपके साथ में भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
Yes, he said, don't say to me, otherwise I want to talk to you. You say direct to, what you're saying to me and all. But it comes automatically, because of his structure, respect, I don't
उसके
know.
सामने खड़ा रहेगा तो you feel something, means now from 6th standard but once you meet, you are there, you feel, and he makes you so comfortable. After 2 minutes you are चालू होता है वो इसको मजाक मस्करी, that all that fun and time pass and all. But he has to have that, then it's completely different being with him there.
Okay, if I'm not wrong, in fact यहाँ पे हमने एक बॉल रखी है। I must tell people that he just got an autograph from Sachin Tendulkar, just last week.
Yeah.
Last week. वो आपको थोड़ी देर में दिखाएंगे. I'll have him show it to you. अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, you are literally the guys who have seen Sachin grow from a boy to a teenage to a young man to get married and now he's a father. So what is the difference that you see in him? Especially as a youngster who was a boy and now he has a boy who's almost on the verge of playing cricket and hopefully sometime Arjun Tendulkar. तो सर आप लोग बताइए क्या डिफरेंस दिखता है आप लोगों को?
For him, just cricket. Only बस from the journey what I have seen him,
Okay.
it's cricket and again cricket.
But is he very strict with Arjun? Let's ask the umpire sir over here.
Yeah, not so very strict, but he monitors him, from the background.
अच्छा.
He does not put pressure on him, but he tells him what is good, what is not, like a father, true father is.
So he is actually kind of strict with him.
Very straight with him.
He is not the very playful Sachin that you guys know of.
No. He tells him what to do and what not to do.
तो कभी आप लोगों ने ऐसा उनको बोला यार तुम अपने टाइम पे तो ऐसा आप नहीं करते थे सचिन, और अभी आप अपने बेटे को ऐसा?
No, that is why I told now from the background. He gives him full freedom.
हाँ.
Like, in between, Arjun wanted to have some, Coke and all. So Sachin said, now he'll open the fridge and see, he will take a Coke and then he'll have those chips.
Okay.
But then Sachin ignored him, let him enjoy. He was telling him, but he was looking at him, staring at him. One side, let him enjoy, I will just move. That way.
So see, at the end of the day, even the master is like a doting dad, ठीक है सर, आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये बताइए कि over a course of years, like I said, you have seen him. अभी आज जब आप लोग को मिलते हैं, आप उनसे मिलते हैं post retirement खास करके, is there any change? Does he say that he misses cricket very much? Because बीच में उनका एक वीडियो भी वायरल हुआ था where he was playing with street kids in the night. So ऐसी conversations होती हैं आप लोग की आजकल?
No, not much, or he does not miss that much.
Okay.
He is too involved with other things now. Okay. Actually, जब क्रिकेट खेलता था, he used to meet us more often than meeting him last after his retirement.
After his retirement.
He is involved with a lot of social work.
Oh, okay. All right. And how is he hanging out with people who know him before he became the icon that he became? Because apart from you guys were friends, but obviously there were also people associated with him back in the day. तो उनके साथ में अभी
he has got the same respect for everybody.
Okay.
He knows each and every person who has helped him. Even if he meets a cricketer whom he has played Ranji Trophy 20 years back, he'll go meet him. Same, it means for him, everybody is the same. Sachin is Sachin at the end of the day.
Thanks, Kutos, Marcus and Ricky for inviting me here to raise a toast for Del. It's a pleasure, and I take this opportunity to wish Del health, wealth and happiness in his life, and I'm sure he's going to do his best to make everyone around him happy. Uh, when Ricky got married, Sachin was here to raise the toast. Today, Dale, I am here to raise a toast for Dale. And I just wonder, next in line is perhaps Arjun when Dale gets married. I've been knowing Kutos for very long, and there's a lot of cricket connect. I still remember in '89 when my brother got selected for Marcus, who called us to give this very special news. So thanks, Marcus. Still remember those days. And few years later, when I wrote book on my brother, I was really dependent on Marcus for all the statistical details. And in the same book, I think Ricky's photograph is there on the same bench with Sachin and Manoj Kamble. So it was really wonderful.
Today we have with us Mr. Marcus Kuto, who's been an umpire with BCCI for 25 years and with Mumbai Cricket Association for 40 years. So it's a pleasure to have you with us. Please take us through your love for manufacturing these ball gauges and how you've been through this journey. Take us through it, sir.
I started, when I became a first-class umpire way back some 25 years ago. And I'm doing it for the love of the game. I'm mostly to help my colleagues. This is a gauge which has like this Omtex ball to test. We have to always see it's written here, ball no go. The ball should not pass from here. So it's not passing. See, you try to press also, it will not pass. You try to, but it should pass from this gauge. It says ball to go. See, this is the perfect ball manufactured by Omtex. And same, the umpires also carry this in their pocket, on the field of play. See here, out. Out means the ball should be out from here. And this not out means ball should not pass from here. See, it's not passing. This is the perfect ball manufactured by Omtex. And then we have to measure also. There are measurements to know the exact ball measurements, like see here, if you find, you'll find some dots here. See here, there are two dots which I'll just show from this angle. See, these two dots gives you the exact weight. In between these two balls, it should be above and not more than that. These are the two balls.
Thank you so much, sir, for such accuracy on ball gauges and ball manufacturing.